So I keep all of these down here. The problem is when they are in this tray and something bumps it, they tend to fall over and I get epoxy buildup on the tip. And I don't like that. And so the problem is you get all this buildup on the tip for where it leaks down. So I want something so these do not ever fall over. And I make 4 sockets this size. So this thing needs to be about that big. So, chunk of white oak or chunk of walnut. White oak, walnut, cut it down to there. Block of walnut. Reversing grain. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. There we go. Hey, look. That one feels right. So width-wise, that looks to be close to center. How far off are we? Ooh, long ways off. There we go. Whoo! That's close. So, there's my center mark right there. As much as I've done this before, no. Well, see, that didn't take very long. Brace works really well. Very fast, very efficient, does all sorts of tools. Lots of fun. Yeah, that's a good spot. Let's do it there. This one is 137. Five, 6, 2, 3, 4. It's stuckered from the center. They need to be in that far. Ow, point on it. They need to be here. There and there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2. Oh, shoot, I'm moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 5, 6. Don't fall over. It don't even fall over. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. Make this chocolate come to life. And that. There we go. All in one little carrying case so things don't tip over. Happy. So there you have it, a tray to hold all of the super glue and extras. This is something I've wanted for a while. I've kept them in this piece of Tupperware, but the problem is they all keep tipping over in here every time the bench shakes a little bit, and I have problems with the glue getting into the tip, and I'm just having to replace tips more often than I want, and I don't like that. So this keeps it all together, keeps it in one place, has a specific spot for everything that I use. We have the accelerator, the deactivator, as well as the thin and the thick, and I really like how this came out. So I'm gonna keep this on my bench, which is where I know it's going to be, although sometime in the future I might create a shelf or some other place for this to sit. It's one of those things that you don't need to do it, but it's kind of nice to have something with a dedicated spot for the things that you use. And I know that these are the ones I'm going to use because I've been using these ones for about 5 or 6 years. So yeah, I like it. I hope you do as well. And if you have any other thoughts, let me know those in the comments down below. There are lots of little things I could have added on this. I could have done a little bit differently, but this is a fun one. It was a great way to learn spacing and putting things out and marking, so a great, simple beginner's project. So I hope you like that. Let me know your thoughts. Comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. That does help out the channel. All of those things really do get us in front of more people. They get the algorithm going, and it means a lot. Thank you. If you want to take it even farther, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are fantastic, wonderful, and benevolent people on Patreon. Because without patron or members here on the channel, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you. This channel runs off of patrons as opposed to running off of sponsorships. And I like to keep it that way so I can say what I want to say rather than what the sponsors want me to put in the channel. So thank you. If you like that, well, you know where to find out more information down below. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I would really love it if there would be a super glue company made by Weebles, because they wobble, but they don't fall down. I love dumb jokes.